Hey guys, it's Eric here and this is my quick review of the Infinix Hot 6X, the latest smartphone from Infinix. Before we begin, kindly hit that red button down below to subscribe and hit that bell icon to be notified when the next video drops. The Hot 6X is an incremental upgrade from the Hot 6 Pro. Basically, Infinix has taken all of the Hot 6 Pro's internals with the exception of the selfie camera and slapped it into the Hot 3X's body. Maybe it's cause a lot of people are now obsessed with the notch, which by the way you cannot hide on this guy. As for me, I am leaning towards loving the notch cause I like the extra screen real estate. The display on the Hot 6X is 0.2 inch bigger than the Hot 6 Pro. It's a 1500 by 720 HD plus IPS LCD display with 19 by 9 aspect ratio. On the notch, you have an 8 megapixel camera with flash and speaker. The display looks exactly like the one on the Hot S3X. On the back, you have a 13 plus 2 megapixel camera for depth sensing with dual flash. You also have your fingerprint sensor at the back. The camera layout and fingerprint sensor design were borrowed from the Hot S3X. On the left, you have a 3-in-1 tray that houses two 4G LTE ready nano SIM cards and an SD card. On the right, you have the power button and volume rocker keys. On the top, you have a 3.5mm headphone jack. On the bottom, you have your speaker, a micro USB port, and microphone. The Infinix Hot 6X is a lot like the Hot 6 Pro in a lot of ways, and if you watched my review about the Hot 6 Pro, you would already know what the Snapdragon 425 quad-core CPU clocked at 1.3 GHz and Adreno 308 GPU on this guy is capable of. It is not in the same league as the Snapdragon 430 octa-core CPU on the Hot S3X. The XOS 3.3 UI slapped on top of the Android 8.1 Oreo is the same as the one on the Hot S3X, complete with themes and X-Hide. Things should run even smoother than on the Hot 6 Pro, which uses an older software version. The Face ID is easy to set up but is not very fast. Same goes for the Fingerprint Reader. There's a 4000 mAh battery powering this guy. This unit has 2GB of RAM and 16GB of storage, which only leaves 8.3GB available. If that's not enough, you can get the 32GB storage variant with 3GB of RAM or simply get a microSD card to expand your storage. Now about the camera, you get all of your usual modes and HDR, no time-lapse or slow motion here. Infinix says what's new here from the Hot 6 Pro is the 8 megapixel AI low light selfie camera. The AI here is simply a beauty mode function to detect and blur out the background as well as smoothing your face. Here are some of the shots that I took. It does shoot videos in 1080p format. In the box, you get a smoky hard plastic case which has a grippy textured feel to it. You get a 5V 1.2 amp charger brick, a micro USB cable, earphones, a warranty card, a specification manual, a quick guide, a film screen protector, and your SIM ejector tool. The Infinix Hot 6X is priced at 44,000 Naira for the 16GB variant and 50,000 Naira for the 32GB variant. Thanks for watching and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it and share it. Also follow me on Twitter or Instagram if you wish to see what I'm up to. Notification Squad, please let me know what devices you would like me to compare with the Infinix Hot 6X in the comment section down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.